Hey my lovely people, so today on this video you're going to see me try and learn how to write on a cake for the first time, and I hope this video is going to be insightful. Thank you. Mwah.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
So this one, I don't know what attempt was this, but yeah, we have that one. This is among the first attempts. Then I came to the board, a flat surface. I did that. And now I don't know, this one looks, yeah, I'm getting there, right? So I want to redo it again, and I see, but this one, we almost nailed this one, right? Oh, this one looks so good. This one looks so good.
We're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see it. Oh, I'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you were too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I.
Honestly speaking, guys, what is this? What is this with this cream that I've added icing sugar? And yeah, it's a mistake, but yeah, we learn and we move. So guys, I'll let your eyes be the judge. From the look of things, you can tell that the one that I added icing sugar, no, 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 no. Don't you try that at home. Anyway, guys, until the next one, bye. Mwah.